ready.
Ready to go?
Yeah.
All right, can you grab my bag too?
Your bag? Where is it?
Yeah, just all that stuff right there.
Yeah. Hang on, I'll get the door.
On this episode of Destination Taste, Cook Eat Life travels to the remote suburbs of Toronto, Canada, to where locals say a warehouse has been haunting the town for decades.
J'achète des journaux.
Vous n'avez que 10 minutes, monsieur.
Legend says that the warehouse stored ingredients used by a powerful sous chef who dabbled in the occult for his recipe inspiration. As his clients' appetites for arcane dishes increased, his collection of ingredients became unstable. On the night of his greatest triumph, a ball held for Toronto's elite, a distasteful disaster struck. Imbued with unholy flavor, the entire menu drove the partygoers mad. Violence ensued in the banquet hall and spilled out into the street. The newspapers blamed the sous chef, but he was never seen after the event. Some say his tortured soul haunts this warehouse to this day. I'm Ben Crisps. Join me as we investigate the Eldritch sous chef that has been terrorizing local workers in this sleepy backwater industrial village. Armed with the latest technology and investigative techniques, the Cook Eat Life flavor investigators traveled from our Los Angeles studio into the frozen beyond looking for more than just answers. We're looking for the flavor of terror. Here we are. This is the haunted warehouse we've been talking about. We're about to go check it out, see what kind of recipes that this Eldritch sous chef had in his repertoire. You know, I'm a little apprehensive about how this is all going to go down. Well, we're inside, so let's figure out how to get some light in here. All right, that'll do it. Okay, all right. Let's set up a base camp. That seems to work. All right, let's set up a base camp here. Just right here. This seems like it'll be a good base camp for us.
Thanks for the help, Chef. That's probably good.
So base camp means I need my laptop. Jeremy Beard is our drone expert here at Cook Eat Life, and we're gonna get some great initial footage of the layout of the warehouse.
So here we go.
So tell us about the technical capabilities of this monster.
Now this is the DJI Spark. I can fly for about 8 minutes if I don't crash it into anything. And it should do perfect for giving us a bird's eye view of everything we got going on here. Start recording.
With our little remote control eye in the sky, the labyrinthine array of shelves and stacked boxes became decipherable. We took that data and we put it into our software to create this representation of the interior of the building. You in trouble, Mr. Beard?
Yes, sir.
But you get what you pay for.
You don't pay me. There we go.
Okay, here we go. So we're about to go lights out here in the scary warehouse.
We're ready?
Is identified some places where we're going to start doing
Okay.
our
Lights out in 3, 2, 1.
that's already spooky.
Definitely more atmosphere. So this is...
Hey, Crispy Tubers, it's your boy Ben Crisps. We're about to go out and do a walkthrough of the warehouse. We're going to see if we can find any hot spots, see if we can pick anything up on the scanner.
Cold spots.
Cold spots, yeah, right.
Strange feelings.
Strange feelings.
You ready, Chef? So lights are out.
So lights are out. We've got the FLIR and the night vision on the cameras, and we're just gonna do a pass, do just a sweep, see what comes up on the scanners here.
All right. Well, this is the aisle 3.
Oh,
What?
Whoa! Did you hear that? What was that?
I don't know. I don't see anything.
There's nothing on the radar. The chart's not going anywhere. Wow. Okay. All right. Chef, get off me. Come on. Keep your distance. It's okay. Don't freak out. All right.
I'm just scared.
I know. Whoa. Do you see this?
Activity.
Yeah, okay.
There's definitely some kind of...
Nothing on the chart. Whatever was here is gone.
But we were in this aisle when we did our first look through.
Yeah, we
and there
were.
was absolutely... This was not out in the middle of the floor.
Yeah, that must have been what we heard.
Yeah, but what pushes bins out into the middle of the floor? That's not a rat.
An eldritch sous chef. I'm getting a weird feeling about this center aisle.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Chef and I are both kind of... Doesn't seem to be like it is, but it do.
The ghost meter's not showing anything. We got nothing on the ghost meter. But I have a feeling about this.
You're using that thing right.
I'm using it right. Look, 0, 0 0.2.
0.2 is pretty low, though.
Yeah, I mean that's background noise.
Oh,
so.
man, this place is creepy.
Yeah, it is a really weird.
I mean, it's just a warehouse, but the vibe is very...
It's such a wacky vibe from this. It's like I can feel that guy's energy in the whole place. Do you feel that, Chef? You feel his energy? Yeah, this is...
yeah! Energy, that's what I'm feeling.
Yeah. Whoa, 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 whoa. Did you see that? What the hell was that?
Oh my god.
What was that? What? The scanner shows nothing. There's just nothing on the scanner here. Yeah, where were you? Were you on this side? Whoa, 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 whoa. Did you see that? What the hell was that?
Oh my god.
What was that? What? The scanner shows nothing. There's just nothing on the scanner.
That cart moved by itself?
Yeah, where were you? Were you on?
I was right here filming.
Oh my god. You didn't...
We find anything?
No. It's been quiet.
Do you hear that? That sounds weird. Do you hear that?
Sounds like somebody writing on a whiteboard.
A whiteboard? You can tell what somebody writing on a whiteboard sounds
I used to do diagrams for storyboarding for the show and stuff on a whiteboard.
Well, there's a whiteboard where we just passed.
What? No way. What?
There isn't even a red marker there.
Yeah, there's no red marker there. How did that happen? So this is they've kept this room pretty pristine because of its significance. This is where they found the note.
There's even a warning to keep the door closed.
Yeah, well, they gave us permission, so let's... Oh, I can feel the energy right away. This isn't the energy of the deceased, though. This is definitely the energy of the people who are still alive who felt that disturbance when he was here. They say he also, when he left the note, he baked them cupcakes for everyone. Left them on this table right here.
What's our meter at?
There's nothing on it now. You can see it's just completely zero.
Huh.
Yeah.
Zero ghost. Okay, well.
Yeah. Oh, I got a point. I got a 0.2 just for a second there. Just a 0.2 for a second.
It went away again?
Yeah, it went. Interesting.
Put something around here, maybe? See anything?
Whoa, it's. If I can dial in.
Whoa.
Yeah, did you see it just zoom?
Yeah, I saw it go way up.
Yeah.
20-something.
Wow.
Whoa.
That's just.
Whoa. Those are some strong readings.
I don't think I've ever seen that. Wow, it's going crazy.
It went OL?
OL.
Oh my god, that's overload, right? That's...
Yeah.
This has got to be the strongest point here, then.
Yeah, I'm getting a chill. Are you getting a chill?
I am absolutely...
That is cold.
So, what do we think?
Okay, well, this is definitely probably... I would say this is where he kept those ingredients. The ones that went bad. Started the whole cascade.
Right. Well...
This is probably where we should come back and take some better readings.
Okay, make a note on this on the GPS.
Yeah, let me...
And then we'll come back here and do an EVP session afterwards.
Yeah, good
okay.
idea. All right, well, after we did our initial scouting of the warehouse, I think the only thing that came up for any of us was that cold spot in the corner, and that's the only thing that came up on the scanners, right? So I think since Jeremy and I have the most experience doing EVP... Yeah, definitely. Yeah. I think we're going to send you, Chef, to do this one.
Well, yeah, okay, yeah, sure, fine, yeah.
Okay, Chef, so when you're in there, doing the EVP, you want to ramp it up slowly. You want to make this kind of, you want to take the adjustments really, really slowly, and you want to incrementally ramp up the amount of antagonization so that you get a response that's commensurate with the amount of antagonization.
Don't listen to anything he's saying, Chef. Do what comes naturally to you, but whatever you do, do not, Chef, listen to me, do not ask for its power.
Yeah,
okay?
That's probably the worst thing you could do.
All right, well, this is the area. This is where we felt the definite cold presence.
Yeah, I'm feeling it again.
Yeah. So are you ready for this, Chef?
Awesome. Go ahead and do your best. Okay, Chef, do you hear us?
Yeah, I hear you guys. It's spooky in here. Oh, great sous chef, grant me your power. Blah! Nothing. You guys see anything?
Okay, Chef, I need you to ask questions. I need you to try to get him.
Oh, great sous chef, are you there? If you're there, knock twice. Whoa! Did you guys hear that? What?
Chef, are you okay?
I'm not feeling good. I'm not feeling super great. I'm not feeling soup powers. I'm not, I think I'm gonna puke. I
don't know what happened. I just lost the feed from Chef.
I thought I heard him throwing up. Check the security camera feed.
Oh, what is that? Zoom enhance. I think that's him. I think he's down. Go get him. Go see if he's okay. Yeah, you. I'm not going out there. It's scary.
Oh, where's the flashlight?
On the desk there.
What the?
Jeremy, are you there? Commander Crisp to Lieutenant Beard, are you there? Jeremy, respond. Oh, man. Okay. We got it. Gotta hydrate. Sure it gets into the base of his skull. That's my son. Is that my son in there? Look what they did to my boy.